Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is long-term effects of COVID-19 on tourism industry. So let's start. The basic and key important thing in tourism industry is consumer, a person who spends money on tourism. It will affect the COVID-19 effect will three major parts. The first one is transportation, the second one is hotels, and third one is store and shops. If you want to travel in any parts of country such as Punjab, Gilgit-Baltistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, etc., the key important thing that you need is the transportation system. If the tourism decreases, then transportation system also declines and job losses happen in this sector. The second thing that relate with to transportation system is the fuel pumps. If the transportation from that particular area decreases, then the fuel consumption is also decreases respectively. And the third one is hoteling system. The tourists mostly live in hotels at that specific area, so the job losses in this sector may be obvious due to less tourism in that area. The fourth thing that will badly affect is food and goods, because you know that our major crops were cropped in Punjab areas and will also affect the industries such as sugarcane industry, wheat industries, and other industries respectively. The fifth one things that will badly affect is the store and shops in that particular areas. The shops remain closed due to COVID-19, and the job losses for these persons will also happen. So these are all factors which were adversely affected to individuals. For the government purpose, the government will have reduction in taxes if the tourism declines. For example, if the transportation system reduces, then the less tax was collected on the highways. And the second main source of income of from any government is the oil and gas sector. Basically, the government charge 35 to 40 rupees per liter tax on the fuels per liter fuels on petrol pumps. So the major source of tax collection will also decrease from this sector also. And the government imposes some GST sale tax on the food items, hoteling, and the shops. It will also cause a reduction in tax collection. So if the tax collection decreases, then the public spending on people by government will also decreases. So in order to revive this industry, the government must ensure the safety of jobs of the consumers and must follow the must impose some rules so that the consumers consume things all will continue travel in that particular area. So hope you will get a lot of knowledge from this video. Subscribe Q will answer all of your questions. Share this video to all social media platforms. Thank you and fi amanillah.